What's going on, everyone? Preacher425 here. Preacher's Custom Patches this year is proud to be one of the sponsors of the first of many Coalition Airsoft Manitoba Airsoft Convention. What does that mean for you, ladies and gentlemen? Well, that means Preacher425, Preacher's Custom Patches, will be there in-house. Not only to make your custom patches for you right there on the spot, but I've also got some stuff for sale as well. You want morale patches? I got them. You want battery connectors? Battery adapters? Tamiya to Deans, Deans to Tamiya, any way you want it, I can do it right there on the spot. You want to do conversions to Deans on your gun, I'll be there to do it. I got lots of connectors, ladies and gents. Right now, till the convention begins, Preacher's Custom Patches is giving 50% off on all custom patch orders. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Instead of paying the regular $20 setup fee, you only have to pay a $10 setup fee. And $2.50 per patch, per custom patch. This also includes $2.50 per custom name tape. So, ladies and gentlemen, message me on Facebook, message me on Instagram, put on the subject line, Airsoft Con 2019. Preacher's Custom Patches is happy to be there. Can't wait till the show. All right, we'll see you there, ladies and gents. Bye-bye.